Hey guys, so before we start the video, I have put a freelance services link that I provide in the description of this video, and you can basically go and check them out. So let's start. Hey guys, so today I want to share a really interesting website. It is related to MidJourney. Now, if you guys don't know, MidJourney is a really popular tool which is an AI image generation tool, and it is used by many people right now. And now MidJourney, I have used MidJourney. Here are some of the things that I have generated, some of the art and stuff. If you want to purchase the premium, I highly recommend if you are into print on demand and stuff, because for graphic designers. Now before we move further, I just want to give a little bit of opinion about this idea that graphic designers are concerned that their jobs are in danger or whatever their thinking is. And I just want to say that, guys, the AI is not creating a thing from scratch. Like, you need to understand, yes, they do look like they are created from scratch, but actually it is taking information from all over the internet, from the designs created by you and by other people. AI cannot do anything out of thin air. It is a learning model, and I have talked to many people who has already worked in the field of AI for pretty a substantial amount of time, and I can tell you that you don't have to worry about all of this. So there are many different kinds of arts and stuff, and yeah, people are putting their images, which I don't recommend. Don't put your image there unless you are like, you want to become a public you know public photo or something. But anyways, these are pretty good images. Like, people are doing a lot of creative stuff, but all these images you see, it is taking reference from different places. It is not totally from the scratch, at least from what I have learned about AI, and I'm taking some courses in AI from Udemy and stuff. Courses are very basic level, but they're pretty good. I will be sharing, by the way, the links and stuff. There are some pretty good courses on YouTube for AI too. Now, this is MidJourney. What I want to share in this video is MidJourney has somebody really good developer and really helpful developer has created this particular website called MidJourney Prompt Helper. What he or she has done is, basically what this person has done is styles, lighting, camera, artist, color, material, sizing, depth of field, quality and styles, and it has given a lot of things for us to not worry about typing commands for it. Let's just create a command. Give me a car in the space, and then what I can do is I can just click on styles, and I can go here and I can check out whatever style I want. So let's say I want to go with comic book. So it is done. So I go down here, you can see comic book. Then I can choose the lighting, what kind of lighting I want. So I just say I want backlighting. Then there are camera, DSLR, and look at this, how many things you can do in MidJourney. It's crazy, guys, it's crazy. You can do so many things here. So it's satellite imagery. Then if we click on artists, here artists and stuff, then colors, you can go with colors too, whatever color you want. So what it is doing is it is developing a prompt for us. You don't have to type anything, you can just choose it from here. It's pretty amazing. The website is very helpful for people who are using MidJourney. I want to use MidJourney in the future, so I will buy a premium subscription of this particular of MidJourney, and once I buy it, I will be sharing my experience with this website prompts and on this MidJourney. But if you guys have a new account, you will have 25 image limit. So what you can do is you can just use this prompt, copy this here, come here and just paste it. And once I enter this, right now I have already crossed 25 limit, so I think it will give me a message for what is going on. So this is so there are so many things going on in this, but all right, something is on. All right, hold on, let me just use this prompt. So now it's gonna type. Now it's gonna give me a command of that my image limit is over and I cannot use it right now because, yeah, look at this, your free trial has come to an end. So this is the thing, I have already used all my images. I will be buying premium and then share my experience with this website, but my recommendation is go ahead, feel free to check this website out. And here's the link where I learned about this website. It's Matt Wolf's channel, and he has described and explained this website in more detail on his video. I will be linking his video in the description, and it is a very good video. Go ahead, check this video out, and that's all there is to it, I think. Yeah, and I will be sharing my experience too with this software. And for anybody who is concerned about AI, guys, AIs are only learning from the things that humans have created in the past and they are currently creating. AI is basically just a learning model. AI, just remember this, because there are many people who are very concerned about this. AI is just a learning model, and you have to just understand that you have to just use it as a good technology it is. And we've been using AI without knowing, but now AI is getting very good at whatever task we give it. That's why people are worried. But at the end of the day, AI is learning from, these are all inspiration from actual artists who work hard for their art. So that's the thing. We don't have to worry about that AI will ever replace actual artists, because it cannot. It cannot do the things that a real artist can do, all the creativity and stuff. It can only merge all the information that is already present on the internet. At least that's what I have learned up till now, and I will be sharing my experience with learning AI, and I will be sharing the course that I am doing right now. And that's all there is to it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.